Hello everyone, welcome back to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon and today we are going to be opening a box of Cardfight Vanguard Lyrical Melody, the first lyrical booster. So without further ado, let's dig right in. So fun facts about this set. It's my favorite. Definitely not because cute anime girls. That's not a thing we like. So let's dig right in. Let's see what we can get. Once again, we have the small ad thingy. So if you're interested in any of this, you can check them out. Then we have a, well, I guess you can call it promo for the overdrive. And then we start with the boosters. So let's see what we can get. I would like some more Loros, but let's see. We have a monochromic personality, Celestial. And I can already see the sparkles. We have an incessant vocal Eichel. Sorry for the name pronunciation. So let's lift it up. Triple rare, by the way. And on to the next pack we go. So, lots of common cards. Best Rival Train. We have Soft Light Pruel, Advent Stroke, Shadale for our rare. And we have a beautiful Day of Feltirosa in the nice textured rarity. That's really cool. Definitely gonna sleeve that up right away. Not my favorite of the right lines, but well, I take it. Better than nothing. And we continue with the next pack. We have Tense Moment Katie, Windy Harmonica Tertes, Soapy Splash Riviera, and a Join Grasp Ernesta for our double rare. I'm not bothering here sleeving the double rares. I will do that later, so that we can get to the next cards faster. And we have a Throbbing Surge Loronol, or Loro as I like to call her. We have Fulfill Sweets Angelma, of course, Shining Assist Celestial, and an Advent Stroke Shadale for our holo. With a nice, stealing terms from another game, rainbow foil effect. And next pack, Thick and Fluffy Siesta Hilma, Glatenora, a Powerful Dash Andorra, and Aim to be the Strongest Idol. That's a fun deck to play. And in the next pack, we are looking at a Howling Ballad Funnel, Best Rival Train, a Diva of Refreshing Calm Christine. So there's something here. Wish fulfilled by a pair Miller, and we have an original style El Shuka for our holo here. Cool. On to the next pack. We start off with a Glee singing Titwell, Proof of Hard Work Willista, Blue Hat Prodigy Resius, and a Tranquil Affection Elvira. Very cool. On to the next pack. So far, I think we still want a few more triple rares here. We have Loaded Sentiments Evelina, an Enthusiastic Noon Chantal, Distinct Ward Sense Floor for our rare, and we have a Capriccio of Circulating Star Ingrid for the triple rare. You just need to complain then you get the triple rares as it is known. So left side, this has no boosters left. So let's see if we can get something nice from the right side then. Talent of Enjoyment, Felty Rosa. A Selfie Practice, Anneliese, of course. And a Blue Hat Prodigy once again. So onto the right side boosters we go. Still, I think 8 or 7 left. We shall see. Dignified Will Clarissa, the Sapphire, very nice. The Ruby, also very nice. And Brilliance and Elegance Arif for our double rare. Next pack. We have Sky Quivering Motion, Malibu, something like that. We have a Blossoming Vocal, Loru, Mini Life After School, Katina, and A Beautiful Day of Felty Rosa for our holo, which is nice. And on to the next pack, where we start off with a Thick and Fluffy Siesta once again, and Nora the Glutton. We have an Earnest Correct member, Catalin, for our rare, and an Earnest Correct leader, Clarissa, for our triple rare. Don't think I have 4 of her yet. That's good. On to the next pack. We start off with a regular version of A Beautiful Day of Felty Rosa. We have a Midnight Lesson, Van. And then for our rare we have Meta Red Runway and a Blessing Diva Grisel for our Overdrive rare. That's also pretty cool. So we have 3 packs left to go. Let's see if we can get some goodies out of those. So we have To Deliver a Song, Lorona Roll. We have Advancing Courage, Bertlieu. I don't speak French. An Earnest Correct Supporter Trilby for our rare, and a Unrelenting Talent, Henrietta, for our double rare. Second to last pack. We start off with a Fleeting Maiden, Hannelore. And a Passionate Justine. We have an Original Style, El Shuka, Determined Cheerfulness, Saka, one of the Sentinels, and we have a Prismatica, Willista. Also pretty cool. So I'm gonna sleeve that as well. And let's see what we can get out of the last pack. I don't think something that good, but let's see. Charming Style, Cecilia. Is there an eye? Yes, there is. Love Gazing, Tyrusiel. We have a Brainy Player, Bibuel, for our rare, and Mystic Voice, Renata, for our rare. And we have a Holo Everlasting Sapphire. Actually a pretty cool gain for the last pack. So, this was fun. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and or subscribing, and I will be seeing you at the next one.